Happy New Year, everybody. Hopefully 2021 wasn't too bad for you guys, and the new year is gonna be even better. I know that there's a lot of things that we had to do and things we couldn't do because of obvious reasons, but there's always a good side to this stuff, and we have Pokemon cards. I have the Chilling Reign booster box that I wanted to open up today, and I've been holding off on this one for some time now. Chilling Reign is actually one of my favorite sets to open because of the Galarian Birds full art alternate arts, and let's go see if we can go and pull some more alternate full arts from this set. So for this video, I'm going to give away all of the code cards, and I'm not going to go and show most of the cards. I'm just going to go through them. It's going to go quick run through every single pack and just kind of see what kind of hits we're going to get, because all I'm doing is chasing the hits. I'm going to do this, and we'll just see what kind of hits I get. I don't know where to put this. There you go. Got one hit. All right, so we've gone through 36 packs now, and I ran into, how many is this? This is 8 hits out of this whole pack, or this whole box. And the bottom half is the ones that I don't have, which is pretty cool. Like, I really like this guy right here. Caitlyn's cool too. And I think I might have this one, but I'm not exactly sure. But anyways, there you go. I wanted to open up this booster box. I wanted to do it in front of you guys, and thank you for watching. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one, or watch the previous ones that I've had. I just want to wish everybody a happy New Year's. Hopefully everything is going good for you guys, and you know, things are going good for you in this next year to come. All right, take it easy, smash that like button. I'll see you again soon. Bye.